Have you ever asked yourself, what if ginawa ka lang ng rebound? Ouch! Sakit, no? Yung akala mo, pinili ka. Pero to be honest, nang puno ka lang pala. Sakit. Pinangpuno ng oras, pinangpuno sa lungkot, pinangpuno ng space ng iniwan ng ex niya. At ikaw, marupok. Siyempre, kilig ka kasi akala mo, ikaw na. Pero yung totoo, ikaw lang yung distraction. Ay, besh, red flag yan. Kapag every time na nag-uusap kayo, may biglang, si ex kasi dati, di ba? Hello, pwede bang ako muna? Hindi siya. Dapat ganyan. Kasi, parang nag-a-apply ka ng new relationship. Pero ang job description mo is temporary healing tool. Pero what if nga, ginawa ka lang yung rebound? Think of it. Then, maybe that's why it feels one-sided. Ikaw, emotionally invested. Siya, emotionally recovering. Yung mga I miss you niya, minsan may kasamang memory na iba. O, overthink ka na. At oo, pinupuno ka niya ng atensyon. Ng mga good morning, ingat ka. Pero deep down, hindi ikaw yung gusto niyang kausapin. Ikaw lang yung available. Ouch. Listen, okay? Hindi mo trabaho punan ang iniwan ng space ng iba. You deserve to be loved fully, not partially. Kasi love should not feel like a comparison game. Hindi ka placeholder, hindi ka trial version, at lalo hindi ka replacement part sa past niya. Kung gusto niyang makalimot, sabihin mo, try memory card or reset memory card. Kasi what if ginawa ka lang ng rebound, then walk away gracefully and proudly. Kasi habang ginagamit ka niya sa paghilom, ikaw dapat mag-heal ka without needing hurt someone else. Remember, being someone's rebound doesn't make you less worthy. It just means you love someone who wasn't ready to love again. And that's not your fault. So, remember, don't be a replacement. Be the reason that someone stopped looking back. Okay?